Imagine a motorhome so luxurious, so meticulously crafted, that it blurs the line between an opulent private jet and a five-star hotel suite on wheels. This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a creation that takes the unmatched prestige of Rolls and merges it with the boundless freedom of the open road. It is not simply a vehicle, it is a statement of taste, individuality, and limitless ambition. For those who demand the very best in life, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome offers an entirely new way to travel, one where compromise does not exist. From the moment it comes into view, the silhouette exudes presence. The signature Rolls-Royce Pantheon grille stands tall at the front, flanked by laser-precision crystal-cut headlights that shine like jewelry in motion. The Spirit of Ecstasy, handcrafted in polished silver, rises proudly above, guiding the motorhome forward with grace and authority. The body is a seamless blend of flowing curves and commanding proportions. Crafted from lightweight aluminum and carbon composites to ensure strength without unnecessary bulk, the finish is a work of art in itself, available in exclusive bespoke shades. Each hand-polished for over 10 hours to achieve that mirror-like depth Rolls-Royce is known for. The 2026 motorhome measures over 40 feet in length, but Rolls-Royce has ensured it moves with the elegance of a limousine. Adaptive air suspension, rear-wheel steering, and an intelligent drive system make it surprisingly agile for its size. Under the hood, a next-generation V12 hybrid powertrain delivers over 750 horsepower, combining raw performance with silent, electric cruising for city entries and eco-sensitive zones. This motorhome doesn't just take you places, it does so with a whisper, offering the option to travel in near silence, letting the scenery be your soundtrack. Step inside, and the experience transcends anything the motorhome world has ever seen. The cabin opens with wide, automated gullwing-style entry doors, revealing an interior wrapped in the finest materials sourced from around the globe. Each surface tells a story, from the hand-stitched leather walls, sourced from a single herd of cattle raised in alpine pastures, to the polished Macassar ebony wood inlays that shimmer under soft ambient lighting. Cashmere headliners flow seamlessly above, while thick lambswool carpets cushion every step. The craftsmanship is so meticulous that even the stitching patterns are designed to align perfectly with the geometry of the cabin. The lounge area is more akin to a private residence than a vehicle. Two reclining club chairs face a sculpted marble coffee table, while an L-shaped sofa upholstered in buttery soft leather wraps around the rear space. Hidden within the walls is a 65-inch-old display that rises silently at the touch of a button. Connected to an audiophile-grade 3D surround system tuned specifically for the motorhome's interior acoustics, every seat offers heating, cooling, and massage functions, adjustable down to the exact temperature and pressure preference of each passenger. In the kitchen, Rolls-Royce has reimagined mobile dining. Integrated seamlessly into the cabinetry are induction cooktops, a climate-controlled wine cellar, and a refrigerator system that keeps ingredients at perfect freshness. All appliances are concealed behind flush, mirror-finished panels, maintaining the elegance of the living space even when not in use. Dining can be enjoyed inside at a handcrafted walnut dining table or outside under an automated awning, with portable luxury seating stored in a hidden compartment beneath the motorhome. The bedroom is a sanctuary. At its heart lies a king bed with a custom-crafted mattress developed in collaboration with a leading luxury sleep brand. The bed frame itself features polished metal accents and built-in lighting that mimics natural sunrise and sunset cycles, helping regulate your body clock during long journeys. Surrounding the bed, large panoramic windows with electrochromic glass allow you to adjust from crystal-clear views to complete privacy at the touch of a control. Rolls-Royce has even included a starlight headliner above the bed, letting you drift off under a constellation of fiber-optic lights that can be customized to display the exact night sky of any date and location. The bathroom continues the theme of indulgence. A walk-in rainfall shower with natural stone walls brings the experience of a luxury spa to the road. Fixtures are crafted from brushed platinum, while heated flooring ensures comfort in all seasons. There's even an integrated fragrance infusion system, letting you enjoy subtle, calming aromas during your daily routines, but beyond comfort and beauty. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is designed for the modern traveler's needs. The smart control system integrates lighting, climate, privacy shades, security, and entertainment into a single voice-activated network. You can prepare the cabin for arrival, set the perfect lighting for dinner, or check your surroundings from anywhere in the world using a secure app. Connectivity is handled through a satellite-linked 6G system, ensuring high-speed internet in even the most remote locations. Practicality has not been overlooked. Hidden storage compartments throughout the motorhome ensure that every item has its place without disturbing the aesthetic harmony. An advanced climate management system maintains perfect air quality, filtering out pollutants and adjusting humidity levels automatically. The garage at the rear can even carry a small Rolls-Royce electric scooter or a compact electric city car, allowing you to explore urban centers with the same level of refinement. On the road, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome is a masterpiece of serenity. Acoustic glass, triple-sealed doors, and noise-canceling technology ensured that even at highway speeds, the cabin remains as quiet as a library. The driver benefits from a fully digital cockpit with augmented reality navigation, adaptive cruise control, and autonomous driving assistance for long hauls. It is effortless travel in every sense. Every 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is built to order, allowing owners to personalize every element. From rare wood veneers to custom embroidery, from inlaid family crests to bespoke fragrance blends. Each unit is a one-of-a-kind reflection of its owner's vision. The result is not just transportation, but a personal retreat, one that can carry you from the sunlit coastlines of the Mediterranean to the snowy peaks of the Alps, without ever leaving the comfort of your home. For those who can acquire it, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome represents the ultimate evolution of travel. It is freedom without sacrifice, luxury without limits, and prestige without boundaries. In a world where experiences have become the new measure of wealth, this is perhaps the most extraordinary experience of all. The road is your runway, and the horizon as your destination.